This question they are asking for the calculation of enthalpy of formation of the CH3OH. Okay, so what is this enthalpy of formation? It is, when 1 mole of a substance is formed from its constituent elements in the most stable state. So first of all, in order to calculate the enthalpy of formation, we have to get to the equation of this. Okay, so I'm just framing the equation for this, where carbon, the graphite form of carbon is the most stable form. Okay, so the carbon is combining with hydrogen. H2 is the most stable form of hydrogen. O2 is the most stable form of oxygen. And now first what we have to write, we have to write the product side. CH3OH we have to first write, because 1 mole of CH3 only is going to CH3OH only is going to get formed. Okay, so what we will do is we will balance it in such a way that we get 1 CH3OH, and after which we are writing down all the 3 equations that are given, and then the delta H that is given for each of the equation. Now the aim of our question is we have to get this equation from these 3 equations. Okay, so if you see the right hand side and the left hand side, this CH3OH that is there in the left hand side product side is there in the reactant side in the first equation. Okay, and then when you see the product side, CO2 is there, 2 molecules of water is there. Here there is a CO2, here there is a water molecule, but there is no carbon dioxide or water molecule in the reaction or the equation that we require. Okay, therefore we have to eliminate this carbon dioxide and 2 molecules of water. So here there is 2 molecules of water, here there is only 1. Therefore what we do is we multiply this whole equation with a 2. Okay, so once we multiply it with 2, this becomes 2. So 2 into 2 will cancel out this, and 2 water molecules it will become. Okay, and then what we have to do, we have to add these 2 and then subtract it from this. So only when we subtract it will get cancelled. Okay, so when we subtract it, the CO2 will get cancelled, 2 molecules of water will get cancelled. This oxygen, when you add everything, it will become, actually total it will become half of oxygen. Okay, half of oxygen it will become. So everything is becoming, so here it will become minus, because we are subtracting it. So here I am not putting minus, because when you add everything in total, it will become as plus half H2 plus half O2. Okay, so everything here it is all cancelled out, plus CO2 minus CO2 plus 2H2O minus 2H2O. Okay, everything got cancelled, and finally we get the equation like this: C plus 2H2 plus half O2 gives, because it is minus here, when it goes to the other side it will become CH3OH. Okay, so this is the equation that we require, that we got. Okay, so now what is the point of getting this equation is the same addition and subtraction whatever we have done to the equation, we will do it on the this thing delta H values also. So 2 times of minus 286. So what is it? Just times of minus 286 plus minus 393 minus of minus 726. So when you do the calculation, you will get minus 239 kilojoule per mole as answer. So this is the answer for this question.